Hello, my name is Melissa and I'm going to be your teacher today. Today we are going to talk about daily activities. For that we are going to use simple present. When do we use simple present? We use simple present to talk about routines or daily actions, also to something that doesn't change, or scheduled events and scientific. Nice, right? But how can we talk about our daily routines in English? Okay, our first step is knowing some grammar, so let's check some rules. We are going to start with the affirmative sentence. In English, we always have the same structure: subject, verb, complement, but in this time we are going to use time or place as a complement, okay? So the first example is Josh wakes up early in the morning. Right, you have breakfast at 8 a.m. on Fridays. Easy, right? But be careful, when it's third person, she, he, or it, we add s, es, or ies to the verb. So for example, in write, it's gonna be writes, and in go, it's gonna be goes, and fly, it's gonna be flies. For doing questions or negative sentence, we're gonna need auxiliary verb. In this case, we are going to use do. Do is going to work for I, you, we, and they. And thus is going to work for she, he, or it. Okay, so let's continue. So as I told you before, we English use the same structure for everything. So in this case, we are going to place the negative form in the second place. So in this case, do not or doesn't goes before the verb. So for example, Josh does not wake up early in the morning. You do not have breakfast at 8 a.m. on Fridays. Another important information is that we have some contractions. For do not, we are going to have don't, and for does not, we are going to have doesn't. A yes or no question, we are going to use our auxiliary verb do at the beginning of the sentence, okay? So then we place do or does at the beginning and the same structure than before. So in this case, we are going to have does Josh wake up early in the morning? The short answers would be yes, he does, no, he doesn't. Do you have breakfast at 8 a.m. on Fridays? Yes, you do, no, you don't. Okay, the other kind of questions is WH questions, the ones that we use for having new information. So in this case, we are going to place the WH question in the first place, then the auxiliary verb do or does, and the same structure of the previous sentences, okay? So for example, when does Josh wake up? Early in the morning. When do you have breakfast? At 8 a.m. on Fridays. These are the answers if we want to have just small information, okay? So let's continue. Our second step is, of course, practice. So let's check your understanding. So the exercise is the following. Correct the following sentence. Daniela studied from Monday to Friday. Do Paula run all days? But do not have breakfast. So you have some time to figure out what is the best form to write this sentence. Okay, if you said or you were thinking about Daniela studies from Monday to Friday, you were right. In the second one, if you were thinking about does Laura run all days, you were right. So in the last one, if you had Paul does not have breakfast on Sunday, you were right. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that this explanation helps you a lot. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment, or that is my information on Twitter. Bye!